Okay, tonight we are going to make chicken date balsamic glaze pizza. And we're starting out with the Jiffy crust mix, adding half a cup of water and seeing how the dough turns out. Wow, shaping of the dough.
Try to get it in a rough circle. This is a new one for us, using Jiffy as opposed to homemade, but usually we'd make it at home and then bring it with us. 2 weeks into the trip, you can't really do that. So we're gonna poke a hole in the middle.
And the reason why we're doing that is because we're going to use the Omnia Oven.
I don't know if the execution quite worked like I had in my mind, but not bad. Alright, we'll prep the rest of the ingredients and I'll meet you back here in a minute.
Okay.
Alright, we've got a little balsamic glaze, so that's going to be our sauce. Just saw this in the store, thought it'd be a good pairing. Thicker than regular balsamic, obviously. Then we got some pre-grilled chicken tenders. Scatter those around. Pre-chopped after they cooled.
Cooked outside in the campsite.
Yeah, 2 tenders is more than enough. And then maybe, I don't know, maybe less than a dozen dates, but got a good little coverage there. And then last step is the cheese we're gonna go with.
Is ricotta.
All right. So, just gonna dab that in there and set this to bake. Probably, I don't know, we'll just have to see. Most of our pizzas have taken 30 to 45 minutes, I'm gonna say. A couple that we've done in here, right? We already had this on hand for lasagna we've got coming up too, so seemed to mix with the sweeter flavor of this pizza, and we already had it on hand. Off we go.
All right, it's been about 40 minutes and we've got what looks to be a beautiful crust and pizza.
Now we got to wrangle it out of there, so we're going to skip that part and we'll show you when we reach success.
Because it takes 4 hands. Bye.
All right, so we got this thing out of the silicone wrapper and we got ourselves a pizza. I think the crust is nice and crispy but not burned. We did end up putting a little bit more balsamic glaze over the top, so we've got a little bit of glaze on the bottom and the top. And yeah, we're gonna go for it. Little bit of cheese, chicken, date,
and balsamic.
Just seems like the thing to have is a little bit of date pizza out in the Mojave Desert. So we're gonna give it a go, and we'll see you in the morning.